Kannywood.
Exactly. He will make a great
Kannywood. All those Kannywood stars, they need to headhunt him. Their producers, he will make a very good actor. You know, especially in the comedy. You know, they should get them. Alinu and other people.
See the collar on his neck.
Kannywood, they need to get this talent so that he can be used. At this stage, in fact, when I first saw that video, I said, but why should why?
Oh, why this thing trip? Okay.
Somebody can walk on his own. This person will run faster than.
Can't you see him? He was doing the prayers.
Watch now. After here, now they will go and pray.
If you are not fit.
Okay. Now they are coming back from the court now.
He cannot even bend down to pray.
So he lifted himself up.
Look at
this stage, he was reducing the theatrics.
Yes.
Little by little, reducing the theatrics little by little. You know, because he wasn't sure that people were not.
He didn't know there's a camera in the room.
Still watching. But the moment that door slammed shut,
Pakam.
You know that, okay. All they know now.
He and his accomplices were the people left. At that point, he became his real self. He's an extremely dishonest individual.
You can't set stop with whatever documents this kind of person will bring.
Now see him now, he's praying now. Hey! Hey! Nigeria! Nigeria! Hey! The man that has spinal cord injury is not bending down to pray. See him. Hey! God. God will catch all of you. God will expose all of you.
No one is saying that.
After thieving, after stealing our money, after stealing all our oil money, you go and keep it in overseas account, and then you now come and start faking that you are sick.